Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new, my name is Abby, and on my channel I love to share all things beauty and lifestyle. And in today's video I'm going to be sharing all things Zelo, which is a quality, affordable prescription frames and just eyewear brand. If you've been following me for some time, you know that Zelo is nothing new here. I'm always sharing different frames, the newest frames that they have. And my favorite thing about Zelo is the fact that these frames are affordable. I'm talking $7, $8, $14. But also they have quality products. They have specialty products. If you need specialty frames, they have all of that for you. Everything is provided for you when you purchase from Zelo. And I'm so excited to share all of the frames that I received for today's video. Unlike other videos, I usually get like a little sneak peek at the frames, but this time I decided I wanted to just start from scratch, open the box with you guys, and dive right into each of the frames. So let's get into it. We have 7 frames today, and I'm really excited about these. I'm gonna have to take a quick peek because I need to label them by name. Let's just go into it. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with whichever one I pick. As always, Zelo always sends a whole bunch of microfiber towels to go with each of your frames, along with a PD ruler. I always mention this because the PD ruler is so important to get the distance between your eyes, because like I mentioned, Zelo provides prescription frames, so this is always a good thing to have. Diving right into it, we're gonna start off with these first frames, and these are the Lamar frames. Oh, okay, so right away I'm already loving these frames. This pop of color, this is like a reddish pinkish type of tone, and we have a little bit of like a tortoise feel right down here. I'm loving the size already. I feel like these frames bring a very unique twist. Like, this is definitely for my trendsetters out there, the bold people that like to like have a little spark of color with their frames and everything. It's giving like very edgy but very sophisticated at the same time. Especially with this high ponytail, I feel like it's really giving. Like, I'm loving these. I also love the fact that it is like a cat eye, like a squared cat eye type of frame. So you are definitely able to see the eyes, right? If I have like a bold makeup look, this is not going to take away from it. You can definitely see my liner down here. As far as the fit, these are on the looser side. I feel like they are able to move a little bit on my face. So if you do have that preference with your frames and you don't like anything super tight on the face, I feel like this is definitely the way to go. It's giving springtime, like we're right around the corner, so I feel like if you're looking for something bright and bold, this is the frame for you. Absolutely, yes. Next up, we have these Ebony frames. Sis is giving a black, bold, and beautiful. I love the boldness of these frames. I love the thickness of this frame. They're super comfortable, first and foremost. Like, it's not gonna fall off my face if I shake my head or anything. Like, I'm really loving these already. I feel like these are very simple frames, but also very bold. If you're less on the colorful side, you want something black, simple, but also something that says a statement, Ebony is your girl. Ebony is your girl for sure. I feel like these can definitely be everyday frames for me, because I like to wear different colors and wear different types of outfits. I feel like these can be versatile and work with anything. So absolutely, these are a yes for me. I feel like all of them are going to be a yes, honestly. I love that it's a square frame. I'm loving the size. Again, I'm loving these frames and the sizing because you can see my eyes. As a person who has very small eyes, it's always a struggle for me with frames because I don't want to take away from my small but very beautiful eyes, but I also want my frames to speak for me, right? So this definitely is very nice. It won't take away from my makeup looks. Simple, bold, easy to go, yes. And these little gold pieces on the side, I'm loving. Like, look at this little hello. I am absolutely loving these frames, yes. I feel like Zelo has definitely been killing it with the frames. These new frames in 2025, yes. Next up, we have Bonitas. The colors, Zelo, y'all are killing it this time around. The colors are so great. Look at this blue. First of all, if you're a tortoise person, this is for you. But also if you like a pop of color, hello. The cat eye is absolutely giving. I'm really loving this. I love that the plastic frame is not heavy on my face. I love that the structure of the frames are very thick. I feel like all of these frames so far have been statement pieces, like very bold, very in your face. Yes, I love this. I'm loving this for a cute little date night. Maybe an outfit that has a little bit of blue or something in it. Or these can be like your everyday frames if you love that boldness on an everyday basis. Like, yes. I feel like Bonita's is a type of frame that makes people turn heads. Like, you walking down the street and you're gonna get compliments. You're gonna be asked, where are these frames from? I like the blue so much because it's almost like very subtle. And I love that the tortoise goes all the way through the leg of the frames also. Yeah, these are definitely great. If you're the type of person that likes to stand out, I feel like Bonita's is your new best friend. Next up, we have Kogan. And you know something? I am a fiend for some glasses with clear on the frame. I love me some clear, and the fact that this has clear with a little bit of black, this is what you call simplicity. I love the shape of the frames. I'm really liking these very bold square type frames. I love the fact that there isn't a full frame around the entire lens. And that's what makes this look very edgy, right? The fact that it's clear with a little bit of black makes me feel like these frames can go with literally any outfit. The edgier, the better. But honestly, if you want to go simple, this works for you too. I'm loving the fit on the face. I love the feel. It's not heavy at all. I'm very big on talking about the heaviness or lightness of the frames because I feel like that's a preference. I'm a person that loves frames that feel very light on my face. So this is definitely that go-to for me. I love the clearness right here. I just like the fact that it has a very simple amount of black that really adds to the frame. I think if you're a person that likes to dress like very vintage like, this might be the go-to for you. But I also feel like these are also very modern in the sense that you can also wear it with like streetwear and things like that. If you like to just play around with the way you dress and you need something that can match every single outfit, every single style, Kogan is the way to go. All right, guys, we have 3 more frames to go, and I'm coming up next with these frames. These are the Krystle frames, and Krystle I feel like is Kogan's sister, cousin, brother. Oh my goodness. These are so edgy, but so simple at the same time. I love the blend from black into brown into this like clear right here. It's almost like a champagne color that you get with these frames. Once again, the shape, chef's kiss. I'm loving the shape of these frames. These might have to be my next go-tos. These also have prescription, so they feel very comfortable on the eye. I feel like the PD is perfect. My prescription feels absolutely amazing, but I never have that issue with Zelo. Zelo always is 10 out of 10 when it comes to my prescription with all of their frames. I love the little hint of gold also. I know some people typically worry about the gold fading. You don't have to worry about that with Zelo frames. I feel like these frames are very long lasting. They're also very affordable, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video. These are quality frames, so you're gonna get your money's worth. These also do come in multicolor. I feel like these would be really great shades to wear. Like if I added a tint to these and on a sunny day have them outside, I feel like these would be really nice. I think these are some great frames. Absolutely. Zelo, y'all are killing it with these new frames in 2025. Hello? Now these are your Grover frames, and these are definitely your next pair. I love me a brown frame, a champagne type of frame. I love this color. I'm also really loving the 2 different effects that we have going on here. Up top, we have more of a tortoise feel, and down at the bottom, we just have like a clear champagne type of feel. And I really like this. I feel like these new frames are very bold, very thick in the frame sizing, and also the color is just very bright and just out there. I really look forward to everyday types of pairs because sometimes, you know, you just want to keep one frame on your face for a week or 2 or however long you'd like to. And I feel like these give that type of energy. What is something that I can wear every single day, be comfortable, and can also go with multiple outfits? Grover. And last but definitely not least, we have Miss Kiana. And Miss Kiana actually has a pop of color also. Can you take a guess what color it is? This little pink, reddish type of tone. I think that's definitely going to be my vibe for 2025. These are definitely on the edgier side. This is like a very sharp, square fit on the face. I love the pink and I love this gold that's around the frames also. But the fact that the pink goes all the way through here, absolutely yes. I think these are very edgy, like I said, very like sleek, but they also are just like out there. Like I feel like this is also gonna turn heads. If you walk around with these frames on, you're definitely gonna turn heads. You're gonna get questions, and I hope you're ready to answer them. Zelo, okay? I feel like these frames are all about versatility. I feel like they're flashy, but also can be very modern and very toned down. I feel like when you wear glasses like this, you're gonna need to go lighter on the fit because these are going to be the statement. This is going to be what makes your outfit pop for sure. And with that, we've come to the end of today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed all of the descriptions that I gave for these frames. I just feel like these are all amazing frames that you can use, like bold, beautiful, bright, full of color, full of life. Like yes, in 2025 we are bringing the new frames. We're definitely stepping out of our comfort zone with the things that we wear, the things that we put on our face, and the way that we are giving okay? As always, all of the information for these frames will be provided for you in the description box below. And I also have a discount code for you to use if you're interested in purchasing. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. And as always, I will see you in my next one. Bye.